years.
40 years.
Yeah.
Well,
So 3
40
years.
Just to give a larger context, Mr. Chairman, for the past 40 years, the PCGG has recovered 280 billion pesos worth of assets and still trying to recover at least 68 billion worth of assets. And these are the subject of 71 cases that are pending before the Sandigan Bayan, half of them, and then the other half is with the appellate courts. Now, for the past 2 years, or I can even go back up to 2022, Your Honor, the PCDG was able to recover 7 billion pesos worth. So, that is the achievement of the PCGG, Your Honor, for the past 3 years.
In terms of cash,